Hello learners, a very good morning to you. Welcome to the first chapter in history in 6th standard. Let us discuss what do you mean by Thar Desert. A Thar Desert means it is the region where you will find a soily region in everywhere, and there will be no greenery, there will be no much rainfall in that area. So that region is called as a Thar Desert. So let us understand the deep information about this. The Thar Desert spread across Rajasthan. So as you all know, and you must be knowing that this Thar Desert is spread around the Rajasthan, Haryana and some part of Gujarat. So you will see this Thar Desert in some part of the Gujarat also and in Haryana also. A part of the Thar Desert lies in today's Pakistan. So there are some region, and this type of region you will find in Pakistan also. The Thar Desert has the Satluj River to its north. So this Satluj River is also in the north side, and this river is also flowing towards the Pakistan of the north side. And this Satluj River you will find mainly in Punjab. The Aravalli mountain range to its east, the Run of Kutch to its south, and the Indus River to the west. So this is the Aravalli mountain you will find in the east side, Run of Kutch you will find in the south of India, and the Indus River you will find in the west. The Ghaggar River that originates in Himachal Pradesh reaches the Thar Desert. So there is one river that is called Ghaggar River. Ghaggar River, it is in Pakistan, but it is originating from the Himachal Pradesh and reaching to the Thar Desert area of Rajasthan. It is known as a Hakra in Pakistan. So this Ghaggar River, it is also known as a Hakra River in Pakistan. Its course in Rajasthan and Pakistan has now dried up. Some sites of the Harappan civilization are situated along the now dry course of the river. So there are some Harappan civilization of the people. Why they have situated to the dry course of the river? Because they were not getting the river properly. So they have situated some of the dry course to the river near the river situated, where the river is not there because of this Thar Desert, because they are not getting much rainfall over there. So Harappan civilization is situated in another course of the river. Deccan Plateaus. The region between the east and the west coast of India tapers off to the south. This region has the Arabian Sea to its west, the Indian Ocean to its south, and the Bay of Bengal to its east. A region thus bound by the sea on three sides is called a peninsula. A major part of the Indian peninsula is occupied by the Deccan Plateau. So there are some Indian peninsula which is occupied by the Deccan Plateau. Now let us understand what do you mean by Deccan Plateau. A Deccan Plateau means it is a land which you will see some parts are high and some parts are down in the plain region or the plain area you will find, that we call as a plateau. Now what do you mean by peninsula? A peninsula means it is a piece of land which is surrounded by the river on three sides. So some parts of it is in the Deccan Plateau. This information is for the Deccan Plateau. So this you have to remember, this two, Deccan Plateau and the peninsula. And the major part of Indian peninsula you will find in the Deccan Plateaus. The mountain ranges of the Vindhya and Satpura are located to the north of the Deccan Plateau. So this Satpura and Vindhya and Satpura mountain ranges you will find in the Deccan Plateau. So let us see in the map. So this is the map. Over here you will find there is a Western Ghat, and here you will find the eastern coast of India, and here you will find the Deccan Plateau. So this Deccan Plateaus plays an important role between these two. So here you will find Satpura ranges, and here you will find the Vindhya ranges of the Deccan Plateau. So here also we are having Sahyadris mountain in Western Ghats, and Eastern Ghats we are having eastern coast. So this you will find in the next explanation which I will be showing you. The Sahyadri mountain ranges are to its west, which I have shown you. The Sahyadri mountains are located in the west side of Sahyadri. They are also known as the Western Ghats. So Western Ghat you can also see near the west side of the coast. To the west side of the Sahyadri is the coastal region of Konkan and Malabar. So in the Sahyadri's coastal side you will find the Konkan and Malabar regions. The mountain on the eastern side of the Deccan Plateau are known as the Eastern Ghats. So in the mountain which are there in the Deccan Plateaus, that you will find on the Eastern Ghats of mountain. Deccan plateaus are fertile land which where many post-Harappan agrarian culture flourished. So many people of Harappan civilization, they have flourished their cultures actually. Like they have also cultivated some of the agriculture over there, and they have flourished in that area. Deccan Plateau was a part of the Maurya Empire. So this was the part of the Maurya Empire in ancient times, where India was dealing with that. After the decline of the Maurya Empire, several kingdoms and smaller empires continued to flourish in this region. So there are some people belongs to the Maurya Empire, and the people belongs to the kingdom of their era. Now also they are flourish in that Deccan Plateau of the Maurya region, in that region. Coastal region. Now what do you mean by coastal region? A coastal region means the area which is covered by the river, that is called a coastal region. Means the river is surrounded by that region. From the time of the Harappan civilization, Asian India has a trade relation with the Western countries. So India was having a trade relation with the countries, with the Western countries actually. What do you mean by trade? Trade means it is a selling and buying of goods and services with each other. This trade was carried out by the sea. So they were doing the trade with the help of sea. Therefore, India had developed contact with the interaction with foreign culture and people at the seaport. So India has also taken and developed the contact with foreign cultures and the people through the seaports. Later on, land route came to be used for trade and transport. So because of this, we also use the land routes for the trade and transport surveys. But the importance of sea routes did not diminish. Means they have not diminished, they have not stopped of the sea routes of trade between one country to another countries. So it is also there with the, and they have also given the importance to the sea routes. Okay, now it is also there, they can do the trade relation with the countries. Next is the island in the sea. Andaman and Nicobar are the Indian island in the Bay of Bengal. So in the Bay of Bengal you will see Andaman and Nicobar islands. Let us see in the map. So this is a map. Over here you can see, here you are having Andaman Nicobar island in the Bay of Bengal over here, and here you are having Arabian Sea, that is called Lakshadweep of India over here. This is the two island, this is a two important island you will see in two direction of India, and it is the ocean part of India. Lakshadweep is a group of Indian island in the Arabian Sea. The location of these islands may be important in Asian sea trade. So this island was also used, and it is also given the importance to do the trade business. The manuscript Periplus of the Earthian Sea, it is the name of the sea actually, Periplus of the Earthian Sea, and the information, or it is the manuscript of that sea, is written by of some of the Greek sailor about that sea, and it is a handwritten book. Manuscript means it is a handwritten book, and the book was called Handbook of the Red Sea, and that sea was called as a Red Sea. So some information as given by the unknown Greek sailor of that island, and he has written some of the manuscript of that. Indian subcontinent. The cities of Harappan and Mohenjo-daro are in today's Pakistan. So this heritage sites you will find the Mohenjo-daro and Harappan. It is there in Pakistan in today's also. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together from the region known as a South Asia. So these regions or this Asia continents are called as a South Asia. Considering the expanse and significance of India in this region, it is also known as the Indian subcontinent. So this continent, it is also called a Indian subcontinent of the different sites. The Harappan civilization had spread mainly in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. So the Harappan civilization has also spread in some part of the northwestern of Indian subcontinents. China and Myanmar are neighboring countries are not a part of South Asia or Indian subcontinent. So these are the two countries are the not part of the Indian subcontinents. However, they had cultural and trade relation with Asian India. So they are having trade relation with India actually. They have an important place in the study of Asian Indian history. So they are having important place in the study of Indian history. So students, hope you have understood this lesson. Next we will see another lesson. Thank you for watching the video.